Hello and a warm welcome from the team at Sonolab. In this video, we will show you how to create and fit your Sonolab Instant Fit custom molded earplugs. We always recommend you have someone assist you. Before we get started, it's very important that you carefully read and pay attention to the pre-installation notes in the guide inside the box before fitting. You should also register your product on our website. This video guide should not replace reading fully the instruction manual provided, as there are some pre-fitting notes that need to be understood. Start by taking the headband from the packaging. Take the lubricant from the packaging and apply a generous amount around the base of the plugs and the shank, avoiding the hole at the tip. Gently expand the headband so that it is fully open. Stand behind the person you're about to fit and hold the headband with the blue ring on the left and the red on the right. Hold the headband in front of the user's head with the band facing forward. Carefully place the plugs into the entrance of each ear canal. Turn the headband back 90 degrees and then gently close up the headband until it is firm but not tight on the head. Ensure that the headband is nice and upright. At this point, you will need to check that the plugs have been inserted correctly and not folded over. This simple procedure is the most critical in the installation, and if it's not done correctly, it can result in unusable plugs. To check the plug is situated correctly, hold the base of the plug in the entrance of the canal and gently move in and out. Now that the preparation is complete, you are ready to make the plugs. Set your timer for 6 minutes. Tell the user to keep their jaw and head still and not to talk once you have released the silicone into the ears. First, flick upwards the safety catches with the lock symbol on each side of the headband cartridges. Tell the user there will be a loud click when you release the cartridges, and they will be able to feel the flow of the silicone into the molds as it expands to the shape of their ear canal. Release the main switches one at a time on each side of the headband. Start the timer for 6 minutes. Whilst the plugs are curing, you can prepare the faceplates and lanyard. Remove the pouch from the packaging and take out its contents. There will be a lanyard attached to a nameplate and also a cleansing wipe. Unwind the plastic cord from the name tag and free up the square ends. Take the faceplates from the packaging and with the Sonolab logo facing you, insert the square-ended cords into the square hole on the faceplate. Once the 6 minutes have elapsed, you are ready to remove the plugs very carefully from the user's ears. Remember that the plugs have now expanded in the user's ear canals. Fully expand the headband again and rotate it 90 degrees forward. Now gently ease the plugs out of the ears one at a time. Remove the cleansing wipe from its sachet and clean the plugs. Using the thumb indent at the base of the plug, gently remove the plug from its base, and you will now see the silicone cured into the shape of the user's ear canal. Now, locate the notch on the faceplate and the notch on the plug and simply click them together. Give the user their plugs and tell them they are now ready to use. Instruct the user how best to use and care for their plugs. Apply some lubricant to the earplugs, at least for the first few times you use them. When inserting, the simple rule to remember is that red is for the right ear, blue is for the left ear. Hold your plug so that the Sonolab wording is facing down. As you push the plug into your ear canal, gently rotate it 90 degrees backwards. This will lock firmly and comfortably into its fitted position. You will know it is correctly placed when the Sonolab wording is facing forward. Simply reverse the procedure to remove your earplugs. To identify your personal plugs, write your name directly on the tag or use the label provided. Please join the conversation using #LoveSonolab and help us make noise-induced hearing loss a thing of the past. For further information, please go to our website, sonolab.com. Thank you.